afternoon, everyone. I hope you can hear me there clearly. Just to introduce myself, my name is Margaret Clancy and I work with Transfermate Global Payments. I am the head of global sales at Transfermate. I started there about 7 years ago and I joined a sales team in Kilkenny in our head office of about 3. Due to rapid expansion over the last 7 years, it's really been a whirlwind. I moved on to become a team leader, a sales manager, and now to head of global sales, and I manage 82 people at the moment across the globe. So what do we do? Transfermate manage your incoming and outgoing international transfers. So if you're trading globally and receiving or making payments, this would be of interest to you. So who are we? Transfermate are part of the tax-back group in Kilkenny. We're Irish owned by Terry Clune, who was a winner of the Ernest & Young Awards many years back. The tax-back group deal in mainly cross-border transfers and transactions. So we deal in recovering international tax, VAT, we deal in sales promotions, global payroll and tax, and so on. As a wider group, there are around 200 or 2,500 of us across the globe. So Transfermate was launched in 2010. We're a great little Irish success story. We're headquartered out of Kilkenny and we offer a range of foreign exchange solutions to companies who are sending and receiving payments. So we offer this to a range of industries, so namely pharmaceuticals, payrollers, car dealers, anybody basically, FMCGs, anybody making, receiving payments globally. So our staff are worldwide. At the moment I'm recruiting for Dublin, Kilkenny and our San Francisco office and our Sydney office. So what did we do first? We set out to, I suppose, eradicate the old ways of transferring money. So whereby you're relying on all the intermediary banks. So Transfermate have banking relationships in almost every country that we are regulated in. We have an end-to-end solution, and what I mean by this is Transfermate are actually integrated into software packages like QuickBooks, Sage, SAP and MYOB across Australia as well. So being integrated into the software package not alone means that you're going to save money on your foreign exchange, but you'll actually save time within your accounts department because we eliminate double entry. Everything is automatically posted back into your accounting software package. This is part of our service. It's not something that we charge extra for. We provide our service to QuickBooks, Sage clients and SAP clients as part of an add-on, and we have an app as well. So our global regulation is extremely important to us because obviously we couldn't exist as a business without it. We are regulated in 49 states across the US. Now, this is very important when it comes to comparing us to the rest of our competitors, who obviously naturally the banks, but then there are the other foreign exchange providers globally. But Transfermate, if you're receiving money from California, if you're receiving money from Florida and so on, New York, we can receive funds from all of those places because we're regulated. So our solutions, what do? We have spot contracts, variable flexible spot contracts, where basically you can hold a rate for 3 months to avoid fluctuations in the markets. We receive funds, we can place market orders, the software API as I said, and we can do mass payments as well. So sending payments, what's the biggest benefit of this? Okay, so we can secure a better exchange rate, obviously enough. We can eradicate the bank fees, but we get the funds back to you quicker and faster than the banks. We also have a 24-hour phone service. This is operated out of Kilkenny, not like a lot of other businesses that, the phone call will go somewhere else. Your dedicated relationship manager in Kilkenny will deal with your foreign exchange. They will advise you on the rates. So days like Brexit, the run up to Brexit, all of our guys were briefed. They would know exactly how to advise the client and how to help them on the day. Coming up towards March, we're going to be extremely busy as well. And that said, when somebody is unsure about what to do, being able to pick up the phone and speak to somebody who knows their business, who they trust and can speak to about the rates, it's very important. So receiving funds globally. So let's say you're receiving funds from across the States. We can get that money back to you quicker into your account in Ireland. This will help with your cash flow, obviously enough, but it will also remove any receiver fees that you are getting with your banks. But it will also eliminate your customers' fees on the other side. So it naturally enough makes it easier for them to do business with you as well. And I suppose at the end of it all, it keeps you in control of the funds that are coming into your account. So just to explain, we would have an online portal similar to your banking system, but where you will have everything housed in one area for making and receiving your payments. If you are doing mass payments, this we can also handle. So this is really for larger scale businesses that are doing, you can make one payment out of your domestic currency and Transfermate can make thousands of payments for you. But again, it makes everything easier for your accounts department, eliminates administration and so on. So again, just to mention what we do. So we have a multilingual team with 24-hour call service. We have our 24-hour online platform where you can book. And again, to reiterate, you would have a dedicated relationship manager. Transfermate have an array of awards we've won in the last couple of years. I guess we've gone from being a startup to something far greater. At the moment, we're actually we have investors looking at us, and the hope is we will IPO and become something greater and far more of a success story. Thank you very, very much for your time. I'd be happy to answer any questions.